Today we're gonna test this one. It's a Flexaret. This is a camera made by Meopta in Czechoslovakia. At that time it was only one country, not two as today, Czechia and Slovakia. But this is an old model. They produce a lot of those cameras, a lot of those babies. This is a model from probably 60s. They produce Model 2 and 3 and 4 and up to 7, and also the Automat. And what is interesting about this one, he's got the famous mirror lens, and from Meopta, of course. And I'm just really curious to see how this camera will perform. So let's have some fun with this one and let's see the pictures, okay?